We are going to see the sixth sum. Find the equation of the circle on the line joining the points 1, 0, 0, 1 and having its center on the line x plus y is equal to 1. So they have given the 2 points and one line they have given. So from this given question, we are going to frame the two equation using the points, and using the line we are going to form the another equation. Then we are going to, as usual, we are going to solve the sum. The first is we are going to write the solution. Let the equation of the required circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so let this be equation A. So we are going to substitute now the since the point 1, 0 lies on A. So this is 1 is x and 0 is y. So 1 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 2g plus 0 plus c equal to 0. Then 2g plus c is equal to -1. So let this be equation 1. So next we are going to take this point. Since the point 0, 1 lies on A. So that is 0 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. So 2f plus c is equal to -1. So let this be equation 2. Okay, next what we are going to give, they have given x plus y is equal to 1. So using that we are going to write also center. The before some center we have studied center means minus g comma minus f. So lies on x plus y equal to 1. So that implies what is the answer? You will get a minus g minus f is equal to 1. So next what we are going to do means let this be equation 3. Next we are going to solve the equation 1 and 2. So that means we are going to subtract 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2. So that implies 2g plus c equal to -1. Next is 2f plus c is equal to -1. So minus here plus. So it will be getting cancelled. So 2g minus 2f is equal to 0. So let this be equation 3. Okay, now we are going to solve the equation. So let this be equation 4. So now we are going to solve the equation 3 and 4. We are going to solve it. So solving 3 and 4. So minus g minus f equal to 1. Then 2g minus 2f equal to 0. Next we are going to multiply with the 2 here in equation 3. So 3 into 2 implies minus 2g minus 2f equal to 2. Then here 2g minus 2f equal to 0. So this will get cancelled. So minus 4f equal to 2. Then f is equal to 2 by minus 4. Then f is equal to -1 by 2. Okay, then what we have to do it, we are going to substitute in any one of the equation and find out the c value and g value. So next substitute the equation. So substitute f is equal to -1 by 2 in 3. So minus g minus f equal to 1, then minus g, then minus 1 by 2 equal to 1, then minus g plus 1 by 2 equal to 1, then minus g equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So that implies minus g. Then if you take the LCM means here 1 by 2 you will be getting. So that implies g is equal to minus 1 by 2. So next we are going to substitute in equation 2 or 1. So substitute g equal to minus 1 by 2 in 1. So 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus c is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus c is equal to minus 1. Then c equal to minus 1. So if it is come this side means plus 1. Then c is equal to 0. Now substitute the g. So substitute f is equal to minus 1 by 2, g equal to minus 1 by 2 and c equal to 0 in a. So x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 into x plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 into y plus 0 equal to 0. So that implies x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 0.